Do you want to go on the ghost train?
Yeah.
He's never been to South Shields or anywhere before. I'll get in, I'm over the moon, I'll get to take him somewhere for the first time. Probably thinking, what's going on here? We'll need to buy tickets. Oh, the ghost, oh it is, huh? Right, how do we... Oh no, it's closed. Oh, that's a shame, the shutter's down. That looks like it's going to open, no, doesn't it?
Yeah, we'll probably check everything over.
I'll see if I can find somebody who works here. Ask them.
So you don't put a little kid test on that minute, like, innit?
Yeah. And Jamie, do you want to go on them balloons by yourself?
That's to go high, we took Lewis on.
No.
Do you want to go... Well, actually, we'll have a little walk around the fair first there, then if we'll take Pumpkin to the beach for the first time, we'll come back to the fair. I don't. Just get covered in sand straight away. Pirate ship, could go on that. That looks open. Did me and you not go on last time?
No, I don't think it was on.
No, like not this year, I think it was last year, I think. Yeah, Chloe, there's your tea. Potato for you. Get a pumpkin. Where are we going here? Do you actually want to go on the beach? Oh, then let's go on to the... I think you just get swept away. You get jawsed. Throw a stick in.
It was too cool. By the time I got up and that, and it was too cool. It was dark enough, so...
What, here?
Yeah, what do you do?
Alright. Well, me, Courtney, Chloe and Lewis walked down this path a few months ago and then we just quit at the end and walked back. We hadn't even gone on the beach. Because obviously you can't take a pram on this in the sand.
I think they should make like now like little pops and that you see and like our beaches.
Yeah.
They should make them for
Like proper boardwalks.
just so fans can get on it.
I used to skateboard on that over there.
That's one skateboard and I went to that one. Because I was full of people.
Yeah, I won the 2004 champion for kickflips. 200 kickflips in 12 seconds. That was a decent day. Do you not take him out for walks?
Yeah, but he doesn't really walk much when like walk around the house.
Probably all the smells and all the new stuff for him now. He's probably thinking, he's probably over the moon. Something new for him.
No pumpkin.
Kind of call a boy pumpkin though.
That's decent. So you're born next Halloween, so we'll just name him pumpkin.
Yeah, that's probably my next video on YouTube, the pumpkin patch tonight with Courtney.
Shit, okay.
Got roped into that.
Just one time. Chance to go then. I didn't actually realize what was the
What?
chance to go.
Oh yeah.
That's what I didn't mind the shot, but
I'm gonna get muddy now.
What, the pumpkin patch?
you won't really get, well, if it rains fair enough, without saying that apparently it's going to rain after free.
It says on the website, I think it's called East Grange Pumpkin Patch. On the website it says you can't take prams or pushchairs because they won't be able to roll in the mud. And to wear wellies, I've only got trainers.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get covered in mud there, like. It was all turnips when I was little anyway. We had no pumpkins.
That's what
We tried to. That's better. Yeah, turnips are good now. Yeah, I like turnip. Yeah, we could have though. Come on, pumpkin.
I see what
Are you sure there's a Harry Potter thing in York?
Apparently.
How come I never heard of that?
That just sounds it for me if there is not.
Yeah, I think I'll definitely do that next Friday then.
Be like a big kid.
No, definitely. Harry Potter's. I like Harry Potter.
I'd even order me one off Amazon.
Oh, I wouldn't go that far. I'm not going in the cape and like the hat, like the graduation like suit thing or whatever it's called.
I'll get the glass and everything.
Yeah, mate, if you're willing to go like that,
I'm not.
I'll buy you them. I'll literally buy you them. Just for a laugh. Chloe, you wouldn't walk near him and all that stuff, would you? Like he's wearing the Harry Potter glasses and put like a little, like lightning tattoo thing on his forehead.
Stag do idea then. I'm Voldemort the rest of them.
Are you Voldemort? I'll be Ron. Chloe, you can be, let's think.
Yeah, be Scabbies.
What's that, Dobby? You can be Dobby.
Oh, I love Dobby.
Pumpkin looks like Dobby as
I
well.
know. That's
How do you know who Dobby is?
He's of,
I thought you hated Harry Potter.
Oh yeah, because the only time she actually paid attention to Harry Potter was when I told her to shut up because this is the saddest scene.
Oh yeah.
And then Dobby died and she was like, oh that's so sad. But then she didn't want to watch the rest of it.
It was sad. Luckily though,
I don't know why they killed
he was
him
digital.
off. They shouldn't have killed him off.
Well, they done it for emotion, didn't they?
I
They
know,
done it
but-
for like, oh, it's dark now, it's on now.
They
It's
shouldn't.
on now.
They shouldn't have done that. I mean, I know that's the point why Harry ended up killing him, finishing it. But I don't think they should have done that. Could have killed off one creature.
I think I'm gonna have to watch that today then. Or maybe tomorrow.
Tell you what though, when I was younger, that jump scare with the snake actually made me like, quite fun.
We're walking down to the sea here, or?
Yeah, we'll see if Pumpkin will go in.
I don't think, actually. Well, if he does, he's not getting back in the car, unfortunately. He'll have
Got a
to,
blanket.
nah, does a blanket count?
Use little same pause, it doesn't need
Little paw print.
Pumpkin there, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but nothing like
Yeah, they would, yeah. The black one definitely would. That's a big greyhound, that.
But if you like it, I don't want to find it.
How come when you come to the beach, you can't smell the beach anymore?
Yeah, I know.
I think it's fine when you walk on the beach like that and then you see like the...
I'm gonna get the car hacky twice today.
Oh,
I think when you walk on you can see like the...
I've got boots on.
Well, I thought you never wear footwear for anything.
I don't know.
I've only got one pair of trainers.
I've only got one pair.
So I've got no choice with appropriateness or not.
Oh no.
I've got to put my insoles in these, so I've got a big trainer.
Pumpkin.
Come on, does he not like it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, he's good.
His first time at the sea. Come on, Pumpkin. It's okay, come on. Oh, I'm getting soaking now. It's getting deeper.
Where's the end?
Jamie's went for a swim.
Ooh. He's a pumpkin now. Fine.
Right. Hugo. Come on, Pumpkin. I like it when people who have dogs actually think the dog's going to listen to them, and even they keep shouting the name. I do that with my mum's dog all the time. Just makes you look like a fool. It's like, nah, I'm not listening to you. South Shields Pier, North Shields over there. Hi everyone. It's been a canny while. I thought I'd put a video on today, like one that's not countryside, but yeah, North Shields in the distance there, and that's a video that was meant to happen last week, and I've been rained off all this week, so I thought South Shields today. Next Friday is looking maybe like York, depending on everything, I suppose. And there's roses at the beach. This must be an account of something, isn't it? Somebody's laid roses out all the way along the beach. You seen the roses?
Yeah.
What's that about? Oh, is he scared of the sea? Right, Chloe, you jumping in?
No.
What? Actually, Jamie, you're wearing shorts, you could just go in if you want. Got to touch the sea. Can't smell anything. Why doesn't anything smell anymore? Has COVID ruined me nose? I think they are as well. Something's definitely happened. I wonder if it's them that's laid the roses over there.
Just like when the waves are coming in.
That's probably really noisy for him, like, as well. How are they?
Oh, he's hungry.
His legs wrapped. Come on then, pumpkin. Or turnip. I like turnip better. Let's go back to the fair.
Oh, look, he's brave now.
Yeah, he's not bothered now. Look at that brave.
He's not scruff. There's like no good place to walk in.
Nah, you're gonna get soaked through this. It's deeper than it looks as well. Watch out for crabs under the sand as well. They pull you under, I've heard. 3 people this morning, unfortunately, lost their shoes. Soaking. The way across, mate, just do it. You just sink into it anyway. You what?
What's that up there?
I think it's a log. But then again, oh, do you rip? You got bags on you? I'm strolling on. Definitely a drawback of owning dogs, guys. You don't own dogs, I think dogs own us, but yeah, carrying poo bags. Fast forward, like rewind back to when I was little, if I seen someone walking around with a bag of poo, I'd be like, mate, how? What are you doing, man? You picked it up? It probably will be on the. I might edit that video, that bit out, if I can be bothered or find it. They can do just carry that on with you the rest of the day, or
No, I need a bin.
are you going to swing it around? I wonder why there's only 2 rides on. Right guys, I'll bring you back when we're back at the fair. So it's 3 tickets each. Huh? Got a card. Yeah. The zombie research facility, I think this is a different one than we went on. It's a zombie one now. Yeah, Julie, come. Oh, he's sitting over there. goes upside down, you know. Somebody on the top, I don't know if it's a different one than the last one these are. I don't think it went on this year, I think it was last year. Something? No. Huh? I couldn't see from that side. That's the chainsaw blow. Yeah, it was fun. Oh, it was fun. It was. Right, Chloe, we've got 4 tickets. Do you want to go on something?
What have we got on there?
That's 2.5, isn't it? So. Actually, I'm not going back on Crazy Cottage, it was weird. And it's literally you just go upstairs, then downstairs. Give me backpack. Alright, we'll have a think. Layla's. It is a song, like. Right? I need a drink. Yeah, stoppage. What kind of ice cream do you want? Frere Rocher? You actually get a pack of Frere Rocher as well.
Can I get a Milky Bar one, please?
Milky Bar?
Yeah, with some sauce on. Hey, can I help?
Yeah, can I get a Milky Bar ice cream cornet with sauce on, please? And a bottle of water.
Which cone?
Which cone do you want?
Just
yeah.
Sugar cone or the plain cone?
Sugar cone. Only cone, double, single.
Just a sugar cone, please. The plain one, yeah? Yeah.
And a bottle of water as well, please.
Every time he sees a dog.
Whoa! I wonder if I caught that. Then he took a seagull to the face.
I wouldn't.
That would have knocked that. Well then guys, I think this is the end of this video in South Shields. There. It's fun. Right, later.